Hey there, it is Cara, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add your Bitmoji to your Google Slides presentations, whatever that may be for. I'm going to share how I do it in the Smart Class newsletter or website. If you have not tried a smart digital newsletter, I highly recommend it. You can get mine for free at bit.ly/free digital newsletter. And let's go and get started. First of all, you want to go to bitmoji.com. Here I have bitmoji.com/stickers open. And this you can see I already have mine available and ready to go. I just copy to clipboard and then I could go into my document here and paste. And that's one way that I could do it. Or download and insert as an image file. Now, if you're brand new to Bitmoji, you're going to want to sign up, make an account, and here it will guide you through the process of editing your Bitmoji to look like you with your hair and your all that fun stuff, which we won't go through, but it's pretty straightforward and you can help make your Bitmoji look like you. So once you get it all set up, you just click on Bitmoji stickers or bitmoji.com/stickers and you search whatever mood, emotion you're going for and click on it to download or copy. But you have another option, which is even quicker, I think, and that's downloading the Chrome extension. So if you go to bit.ly/bitmoji/Chrome, hyphen Chrome, I believe, excuse me, then you'll have an install button right here and you'll install and you'll have it right up here. I recommend pinning it. I already have mine pinned just by right clicking on the extension icon, and then that way it will always be up here for you, that little funny face. Then you'll go into your Smart Class newsletter or website, then you'll click on it and it will automatically once you log in, it will automatically give you options. So we're going to log in here and I should then be able to click on it and get some sticker options. So I will do welcome. So let's say this is for the beginning of the year and I'll go through here and decide what I want, or maybe let's try hello. Let's see. All right. I think I will just go with, we'll just go with the first one, kind of boring. So I can just pull on it and drag it in and move it around, get it where I want. And then once I have it like I want, I can check my newsletter in presentation mode and you will see it there ready and good to go. If you are brand new to Smart Class newsletters or websites, please watch this video. It will give you all that you need to set up and get the share link, which is most important right here, to share with parents and students so they'll see this in presentation mode. It'll look great, and whatever you do will update automatically in real time, including your Bitmoji stickers. So I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to animate your Bitmoji, please watch this next video on how you can animate so it just kind of pops in when your newsletter or website is opened, and that will be the next video for you.